Morning everyone, favors with me, Holifatul Intan. News about beware of heavier rainfall in Kendal and surrounding areas. Rain continued to fall Kendal and the neighboring district around December to February, resulting in several roads becoming waterlogged and suffering damage. Motorists and drivers of small vehicles should exercise extra caution on slippery roads, since flooding is a possibility in the Pantura area if it continues to rain. The river's water output increased as a result of the heavier rains, according to Jujaheman. The rest farms near the river are concerned that the harvest will fail or that the price at the time of the harvest will decline, and even farmers can incur huge losses. Unspecified heavy rains will disrupt people's daily activities by causing loss of dam coastlines, soaring mosquito population, and of course making outdoor activities difficult.